All right, looks like we got a green light and two green flags. Here comes Mr. Fred Roach out of Enville, Tennessee on the Bell Blue. All right, let's give it up Mr. Fred Roach out of Enville, Tennessee. All right, Mr. Fred finished up. Let's give it up Mr. Jason Carlos out of Trenton, Tennessee. Sounded like he had a little trouble there tonight, ladies and gentlemen.
What happened? Uh-oh. What happened?
All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up to Mr. Jody Womble out of Trenton, Tennessee. They've been doing a lot of work on this track. All right, ladies and gentlemen, green light, two green flags. Mr. Norman Robinson out of Atwood, Tennessee. All right, let's give it up to Mr. Nolan Robinson out of Atwood, Tennessee on the Cracker Jack.